minutes and I'll be out fishing. Hey, could you move out of my way? Thank you. Appreciate it. What are you doing? Just chilling out? Huh? Pretty cool seeing that deer out there. Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I've finally made it to my destination out here in the UP where I was heading out today. It's this beautiful lake here behind me. There's no one else in this area, and it is gorgeous down here. I love all the rock formation. I probably should have driven out here last night and just camped out on the island. That would have made such a cool video. I brought a drone. I might send that up and get some good footage. But first of all, I want to go ahead. I'm going to probably take a couple casts out here, see if I can catch anything. If not, I'm going to hook up a musky rod for muskie and pike. And I'm going to grab a rod for bass and walleye with some lake effect lure co jigs and some arc spinners. I'm going to get out here on my kayak that I brought on top of my truck, try to catch some fish. And as always, John here with Johnny Trucking Outdoors. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am. And I hope my day becomes even better landing some beautiful fish here in the northern Michigan, in the UP. Should be awesome. Let's go. I love my truck. But we need to grab some fishing rods. My bedroom's a little messy. Just, yeah. Fishing gear, sling bag, food, ice chest, all that fun stuff. Now, since this water is a little bit clearer but is darker, I'm going to be using something that'll match what's going on. What they're currently eating is these frogs out here on the pond. I'll be using these darker baits from Lake Effect Lure Co. And this called the green barrett, if I'm saying that properly. So, I'm going to go ahead and thread one of these on. They have a rattle inside them, which is awesome. You can probably hear that. So that will help call in the fish. And I'm using a yellowhead because they'll give it a little bit brighter color in the water column. But you literally just take the bait, match up how far it will go down for the hook wise, and then just slide in the top and just thread it down. Then pop it out, then push it on. And you want that bait to lay straight on it like that. I'm gonna go take a couple casts out here to see how I do, see how this bait acts, and then I'll go ahead and pop the kayak off and grab a musky rod and we'll get out fishing. Should be good. We got some weeds here, but a lot of rocks, a lot of stumps, a lot of other brush, which is a good thing. I think I'm on. Fish on. Fish on. Nice. Oh, we got off. That was a largemouth. That was pretty cool. Let me try again. It's probably about a pound and a half largemouth. That was awesome. Now I'm excited. I know there's fish out here. I'm letting that bait sink a little ways, and then I'm going ahead and just reeling it nice and slowly, jerking it a couple times. Try and give that bait a lot of action. Drones are so cool. I absolutely love just flying this drone. This drone is called a Phantom 4 Standard. I actually bought this from a subscriber on my channel. He used it twice to fly like 20 feet off the ground, never registered it with the FAA. Since it's over 249 grams, you have to register it with the FAA. He flew it twice, 20 feet off the ground, and then he stuck it back in his closet. So, next thing you know, I'm looking around for a drone since I sunk that one drone out in Lake Erie. And I'm looking around and I find this drone. The guy's selling it for like 800 bucks, and I started talking about my channel, and I didn't really want to spend that much, and he was like, dude, I'll sell it to you for 500 for your channel, for you to film with. And I was like, oh, that is so cool. You know, 300 bucks off from 800 to 500. But yeah, now I'm out here with this drone. And it didn't come with this case or range extenders. I actually got those from my brother with the old drone before I lost that. But now we'll go try to get some good footage of this area, and then I'll get out fishing. I absolutely love this shirt. It's made by Great Lakes Rod Co. Thank you again for the shirt. Love it. It's breathable, it's light. Has a good hood that's nice and light. It'll keep the sun off the back of your neck. It has tight lines on it. It's awesome. Really love it. Here I'm just adjusting the aperture of it. Now I'm ready. So let me go ahead and I'm going to turn the drone on. Well, the drone's on. I'm going to turn on the camera, and then I'll go ahead and tell it to take off. I'm going to get the drone in the shot too. This is why drones are so awesome. As I was flying that drone around the lake prior to fishing, you can see the beaver dam directly below that has been ripped up, as well as a lot of structure from stumps to weeds to other habitat for the fish in certain areas of the lake. And even though I couldn't cover the entire lake, I had a better chance of catching some fish due to knowing where the structure is, which was pretty much everywhere. You can see stumps and logs and trees everywhere in this lake. The drones are extremely helpful flying it prior to fishing. This video is brought to you by Great Lakes Gear, Lake Effect Lure Co., and Art Spinners. Check them out with the link below. Use the code to save 10% off your order. kayak off. I'm draining a little bit of water from the rear end of the kayak that was inside. Probably with that big rain we had last night, I'm going to probably put a different cushion down so I don't get my butt soaked. But yeah, let's go try to catch some fish. Got a musky rod set up for muskie and pike or a large bass. Got another rod set up for walleye and bass, so should be a good time. Life vests are very important. Especially when you're alone on a trip, it's a smart thing to be safe, play it with caution. I'm safe. If I fall in, I'm still good. I'm going to take the GoPro and put it right here on this mount here on my chest, and I'll be able to record if we catch any fish. I know we're going to catch fish, but when we catch the fish. Fish on, guys. Nice. Oops, he got off. There's a bass. Well, I'm gonna take a couple more casts here and we might move to a new location. See if fishing's even better somewhere else. Yeah, that's right. Hey, what's up everyone? So I've been fishing all morning out here. I was running Lake Effect lure code baits first this morning. They were working the best. I was using the green barrette and I started catching probably 5-10 bass, but they're all like 5 to 10, 12 inches long. Nothing really impressive. Biggest bass I've got out here was about 1.25 pounds. I've been switching baits like every 5-10 minutes for like the last 2-3 hours now, and still nothing. So I flew my drone this morning, got that cool footage. You guys probably already saw that. It's awesome out here. It's beautiful, perfect temperature, but fishing sucks. And it might just be due to the storm we had last night and all the fresh rain, as well as the pressure we have, the hydraulic pressure. Here currently, it is going up, but it was at 29.9 this morning, and I think we topped out at 30.1 prior to the rain. So it has gone down. It's starting to go back up, but I think that might have to do to affect why the fish are not biting properly. But I'm going to try to take a couple more casts, and I'll probably head back to the truck and continue on with my venture. I planned out these 10 days to go in a big circle around the UP. So here by 2 p.m., so here in a couple hours, I'm gonna have to be on the road. Yeah, 2-3 hours from now, I'm gonna have to be on the road to my next location, which I'll be running up to Copper Harbor, but that'll be in the next video. Should be good. Anyway, it's beautiful out here. Well, I'm heading back to the truck now. Truck's right over there. I'm gonna pack up the kayak and might drive up to Copper Harbor or might hang around here. I'll figure out something to do. Should be good. Snagged again. Here today for lunch. I'm gonna call it simple with some jelly on bagels. I got the can that spreads perfectly. Yeah. Good, simple, dripping. Good, simple lunch. Then I need to get out on the road, and then I'm going to be driving probably a couple hours. And flying the drone, having fun. Let's go. That's a good bagel right there. I think this was the lake I was on earlier today, but I was on the far side. Then over here is another pond, which I'm going to check out. Well, as always, stay outdoors and stay amazing, and I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Keep on truck camping, and I'm gone.